Hey there, audiophiles. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of car audio with the KICKER 46CSC54 5.25-inch coaxial speakers. Strap in as we explore what makes these speakers a standout choice for upgrading your car's sound system. Let's start with performance. The CS series brings the thunder with a peak power handling of 225 watts and an RMS rating of 75 watts. That's some serious power packed into these compact speakers. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the sound quality. Thanks to KICKER's innovative design featuring a heavy-duty motor magnet structure and extended voice coil (EVC) technology, these speakers deliver ultra-clean bass and precise acoustic control. Whether you're bumping your favorite tunes or cruising down the highway, the CSC54s ensure an immersive audio experience. Durability is another area where these speakers shine. Constructed with polypropylene cones and ribbed, UV-treated surrounds, they're built to withstand the rigors of the road. Plus, with a stamped steel framework supporting the components, you can count on these speakers to hold up over time. Installation is a breeze thanks to the universal fit of the CS series coaxial speakers. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these speakers will seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's audio system. And with zero protrusion PI tweeters providing crisp highs, you'll enjoy a well-balanced soundstage every time you hit the road. In summary, the KICKER 46CSC54 5.25-inch coaxial speakers offer a winning combination of performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a casual listener or a die-hard audiophile, these speakers are sure to impress. Upgrade your car audio experience today with the CS series from KICKER. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.